Guys, we're back at the track. Yesterday you did a good job on the hurdles. I know some of you had mentioned that you would like to do it. I think that's great. They're down here if you need them. Those of you who didn't want to do them because you can't jump or you're scared, I totally get it. Not my thing either. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of high jumping today, which is in the field events, and I'll have Mace show you some pointers.
Okay, so the first thing is you guys have to decide what foot is your good jumping leg. So mine is my left, and so that means I'm on the right side.
So here we are.
If your good leg is your right, then you'll be on the left side. So that means that when you're jumping, you jump off of your outside foot. So I would be here with my left going into the high jump mat, and here with my right going into the high jump mat.
So basically your outside foot is the one you're going to jump off of.
Okay, so the next step is whether you're on the right or the left side, you're going to make a J. So first you're coming down straight, and then after about 10, so the full approach will be 10 steps, but you will go straight for 4 steps. So after you've done those 4 running steps, then you will start to curve into the high jump mat to make the curvy part of the J. And then jump off of the outside foot.
Okay, show them about where your foot placement is, how you want it to point into the corner of the mat.
So on the left side, you want your foot to point to this back corner right there. And then on the right side, you'd be over here and you want it pointed back at that corner.
You just don't want your foot going in completely straight or horizontal to the bar.
Yeah, so none of this and none of this. It's right in between, a 45-degree angle pointing towards the back corner. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how you go over the bar backwards. So a few pointers are, as soon as you jump, you want to get your opposite leg up to a 90 as quick as possible and hold it there for as long as you can while you're going over the bar. So when you're over, actually come on the mat. Going over the bar, if you're a gymnast and you do tumbling, it will probably be really easy for you guys because it's kind of like a back. You don't ever go in back like this, but it's kind of like just a back flip. And so over the bar, you want your hips to be as high as possible in the shape of a back bend. And then after you go over the bar, you snap. So, sounds confusing, but I will show you. Probably go over there.
Okay. All these angles. Okay, she's gonna do a basic 4-step approach, and you don't have to do a full 10-step approach to practice. That kind of we want to build up. So we're gonna just do a 4-step approach and practice planting the outside foot, inside knee's gonna knee drive, and to get over the bar. Okay.
I'll go one more time.
Sure.
So mostly you just want to push your hips as high as you can to the air so that you can clear your butt over and get over the bar.
Notice, you guys, as she's going over, she's not jumping into the mat. She's gonna go vertical before she goes over, and her speed's gonna be what takes her over. I get a lot of girls who will just run up and just jump onto the bar. You gotta go up and let your speed carry you over.
Yeah, so it's not long jump. So all of this momentum that's carrying you into the mat, that's what's getting you over. But as soon as you're here, you are jumping up, and then the momentum will take you over. Full approach without actually going over the bar yet, we do a scissor kick, and so this is just something that I do to make sure that my approach is on before I actually do the full thing. So the first 4 steps are just going to be big bounds straight, and then the closer I get to the mat, the quicker my steps are before I eventually jump over it.
Okay, we're gonna count her steps as she goes. And notice, like again, the first 4 steps are bounds, and then as she has 6 more steps to go, she's gonna increase speed and shorter steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's a scissor. So basically we're not worried about form, we're worried about approach, and you'd want to really practice your approach quite a bit before you actually worry about jumping the bar.
Yeah! Woo!